Welcome back to Daytime Live. We are still buzzing because it's still raining.
No,
Hallelujah.
I love that. People, you should see what happens in the break here.
Listen.
But neither the announcement of Jamaica's first monkeypox case, nor us staying.
Rewind. Start again.
No,
Start
us
again.
still being-
One more time. Start again.
No,
Take
neither
two.
the announcement of Jamaica's first monkeypox case nor the ongoing struggles with COVID-19 was enough to stop Carnival revelers from transforming Kingston streets into a festival of color on Sunday. The summertime carnival was the clearest sign of the scale of disruptiveness of the novel coronavirus, which has caused cancellations in 2020 and 21 and threatened this year's usual Easter season renewal because of the fifth wave.
Carnival bands Exodus and Bacchanal opted for wider corridors to allow for physical distancing and a more comfortable march experience, covering Hope Road, Lady Musgrave Road, Trafalgar Road, Oxford Road, and also Knoxford Boulevard. So, did you remember that Carnival was happening?
I was kind of thinking,
No,
I
hold
was
on.
surprised.
I know that you did a Carnival, but prior to that.
No, I didn't. That's what I'm
Okay.
saying. The reason I knew was because I got called to work.
That's what, yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And then, like a week before, I'm like, next week is Carnival?
Yeah.
Because there was no ads and stuff like that. But the amount of persons who turned out made me realize that a lot more persons were in tune or are listening to the right outlets
Yeah.
and right
Yeah.
information
Yeah.
spaces in order to know.
Yeah.
Because people were in costumes, so they had to have been made, had to have been sold.
But I want to tell you, though, Dufton, I can't never say Dufton. I mean, Angus, sorry. Carnival, I was like, that sounds so weird. Carnival is like a religion, here in Jamaica,
It is.
Because I knew Carnival was keeping, because I got called saying, yo, Carnival, I keep, we have to go work on the summer body, like I need to do Pilates with you, I need to do, so we need to do this with
As
you.
an
like-
instructor, yes. you would get
Yeah,
that.
they were like, listen, so I knew it was coming.
And the bodies were out.
The bodies were they were out and stunting.
I would love to do some sort of research, though. There are persons who I see on a Carnival Sunday that I
Right.
never see again for the rest of the year.
You mean at parties and stuff?
No, and it's not necessarily parties.
anywhere?
No, just
No
anywhere.
church, nowhere.
I don't see them
Just
anywhere.
go back into the hermit
and I'm
crab.
like, and these persons live in Jamaica, And it's not like far Jamaica. It's not like living in St. Elizabeth.
Far in Jamaica, like
or
OG.
I mean, far
Yeah,
from
yeah.
like
I know what you
Kingston.
mean.
They live in Kingston and St. Andrew, and like I see them
Yeah.
like on a reel.
True.
Like, are y'all real?
Are y'all real? No, but I think it is. It's definitely like a little religion, I keep. But persons still say that as much as they had a good turnout, it was not normal. They said most of the people that normally jump Carnival didn't come out
Yeah,
this year.
yeah.
So it was still, as much as y'all are thinking like, oh my God, people were out.
but
it was
I-
still
but I think-
small in comparison to the
It
previous
was smaller,
years.
yeah. But I do
Yeah.
think they had to do it. Because coming out of the pandemic, everything that used to happen, you still need to have them to start.
Yeah.
You need to have a starting point.
Yeah. I'm
Because if we didn't have
glad.
it this year,
Yeah.
next year would have been the starting point. That person would have been like,
Yeah.
So you have to start somewhere.
Yeah, I agree with you. Do you normally jump Carnival?
No, I don't.
Okay. Any reason? Or
I'll
just-
watch.
Any reason?
I'll watch. Walking up and down the road all day doesn't
You know, the sun.
appeal to me.
It doesn't appeal to me either. I'm like the
But
dehydration
I can
and the
honestly,
sun hot.
I love
I'm
I love the
like,
colors. I love the revelry. Of course, I
They should
love
have
the-
it in a building.
The costumes. No,
in a
you're
club,
not,
just have it there, and they were all like, yeah, I'd not go to that.
Nah.
I'd not go to that.
Nah, but it was a good vibe though.
It's a good vibe.
Yeah, people really enjoyed themselves, and where I was working. Yeah, you know.
Let me drink.
We'll
Go on.
just keep the link.
Go
All right,
on.
so we must congratulate our reggae girls
Bad out.
as they qualified for the FIFA World Cup by beating Haiti 4-0.
Oh,
They're
aye,
back in the Women's World Cup again, second consecutive staging.
aye.
Because we were in France 4 years ago, and we're going into the
Okay,
next one.
I would like for you to tell everybody at home the comparison that you had uttered between...
The man named Walkless.
That's what he said.
That's what
he
I
said the
said.
man named Walkless.
That's what I said.
Them just walk. That's what he said, people.
Yeah, the man
He
named
said the
Walkless.
Walkless.
It's from 1998 the men go World Cup, you know.
And still not not keep.
2008, 2018. We're over 20 years been trying to get back to the World Cup. And the girls go to the World Cup and decide to them going right back. That's why Shaggy is the strength of a woman.
Listen.
Shaggy has said some other things in recent days, but yeah, strength of a woman.
Well, the most important thing he said is strength of a woman.
Strength
Because
of
I'm
a
talking about
woman.
other things, which I...
No, but yeah. I mean, I am
should talk about
totally
that. That
in
was really-
awe. And hear the thing about
really
it.
funny.
Hear the thing about this thing. It's that once again, the support for the woman was substandard.
Talk the things, no man, talk the things. Let me turn away.
The
Talk the things.
first campaign was pretty much funded and organized by Cinella Marley, right? She was treated really badly.
As in not the organization.
At the World
Somebody
Cup itself. Throughout this campaign, there was just a whole bunch of stuff. Whole bunch of things, changing coaching, there were disputes, there was just a bunch of stuff. And all through that adversity, the women once again qualified for their second consecutive World Cup. Now, it seems that it is going to be a habit because we have a really good team and young. But the man, them do.
Yeah.
So apart from working on the men's program, we also need to support the women. Don't just wait until they reach a World Cup and stuff like that.
Yeah.
We could support the women.
Yes.
We could support the women in lead-up matches, go. If you have warm-ups here in Jamaica, let's go. Let's support. We could buy them jerseys and them stuff like that. Yeah, man.
Go on, Tara. Yeah, I don't have nothing to add. Say it again. Say support the women.
Yes.
Like support Jamaicans that are doing great things. And
It's
right now,
ridiculous.
they are doing great things. Just lend your strength to them a little bit now, a little bit more, you know?
It should have been a big thing that the last 3 games, we beat Mexico, in Mexico, 1-0. Daytime I'll be right back.
Angus is upset.
And we have a World Championship 2022 feature. We'll soon forward, and I'm sure we're going to be talking about the women again.